And welcome back to Let's Play Super Castlevania 4. I'm your host, Turmio, and we are at level 2. And there are purple hands coming up from the ground, which is scary. Okay, let's just try to avoid them. Oh crap, that's a scary monster. I killed it. Oh no, oh no. No, no problem, no problem. I have everything under control. Everything is under control. There are thousands of monsters around me, but I have everything under control. No problem. I wonder why they have candles in the forest. Don't ask stupid questions. It's all video game logic. Everything makes complete sense if you use video game logic. Oh no. According to video game logic, there needs to be spikes in every single platformer. Or if there ain't spikes, there has to be lava. Or some other very hot substance where you can fall in. Oh hell. What the hell? There are some red hedgehogs. Oh. Die, hedgehog! What the? This is no way to stack candles. Jump! Ugh. The jumping in this game just... I don't know. I mean... I don't know. Are these supposed to be candles or... What are they supposed to be? Like blocks in Mario or... What are they supposed to be? I don't know. Well, in any case, they always seem to contain something. So you should always destroy them. I don't have time to always destroy them. That guy seems weird. Just kick his ass. Oh, he doesn't die! He's a zombie! Shit! Shit zombie! Shit zombies don't die! They only turn into more shit! Oh my god! The red hedgehog and the shit zombie have me surrounded! Health please. This is stupid, those... The... What are those? Hearts! The hearts don't give you health. They're actually... I don't know what they are. They're currency or something. And... But if they are currency, then what the hell is the bags of money? I have no idea. Everything gives you points. That's all I know. Nothing gives you health. Well, I think the food gives you health. Yeah. At least something gives you health. Oh, how the hell am I gonna get that? There's no way I'm gonna get that. Jump, jump, get, jump, jump, hit, jump. Oh fuck, die! Jump. I'm gonna die. Jump. Kill the evil mother. No, no, no. No, no. That's nice. They ain't complete. Motherfuckers, you can jump across. Oh. I died. Well, that's only my first death, so I ain't completely disheartened, if I use a really complicated English word that I can't pronounce. I can't pronounce the word pronounce. That's hard. Oh yeah. Now I'm doing something. Oh, that happened again. Should be underneath the candles before I hit that. I'll go up here. What should I talk about instead of jump, 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 hit, hit? I should talk about something interesting. What's going on in the world today? I don't follow the news. Oh yeah, in Finland, Renny Harlin, you know him. He made directed. Let's see what he directed. He directed shit. Oh, he didn't direct shit. Yes, he didn't direct shit. He directed shit. Fuck. God damn it. I'm gonna die again. He directed Die Hard 2 and Longest Good Night and Cliffhanger and what the fucking all sorts of shit. He's gonna do a movie about Mannerheim. Oh fuck. I need to concentrate a bit.